guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here today. I just wanted to upload this video, just kind of maintaining a clean house. We actually just got over, well, I should say I just got over the sickness that's going around. So you'll be noticing that I'm washing all of our bed sheets. I apparently use a lot when I'm sick. I like to layer on covers. So I'll be washing all of our bed sheets today and covers, and cleaning up our living room as well, because my husband and I did quarantine from one another. So he fortunately did not get sick. But yeah, you'll notice that I am using the Swiffer duster, which is always great for a quick dust and cleaning, but also Clorox wipes everywhere in our bedroom, just to make sure that, you know, I'm disinfecting all of the germs or any of the germs, before my husband comes back to the bedroom. Also, I just wanted to share with you guys that if you're ever not feeling well, or you just need a break and, you know, you feel like the list is going on and on of things that need to be done or have to be done in the house, just know, take care of yourself. You will have time to get everything done that you want to do. I felt like I had like guilt weighing over me as I was getting better, because really I had mild symptoms, and then I was just like very fatigued, and plus being pregnant, you know, that doesn't help. But just know that like the mess will always be there. And if you can't get to it right away, like it's okay. I mean, I want to be as real and honest with you guys. And I definitely want to share more like messes and things that like accumulate more and get messy in our house. I just feel like since I am right now 35 weeks pregnant, my biggest thing is just maintain. So I feel like I'm doing certain things and I'm not always filming them, and maybe I should get better at doing that. But just know, I feel like some of these messes aren't as extreme as they honestly really usually are most days, because of that reason. So as I mentioned earlier, I am Cloroxing everything because our bedroom is a little bit smaller. We don't have a lot of room for our nightstands. So I usually pull out the top drawer and I leave it out. So it obviously gets dusty, dirty, but I use that extra space in the extra drawer basically as like an extended nightstand. So you're gonna see me literally Cloroxing, yes, a book, yes, my glasses case, everything. Just because when I was sneezing or coughing, I just wanted to make sure that everything was wiped down thoroughly. So I don't know about you guys, but our bedroom, our TV and our nightstand, or not our nightstand, sorry, our dresser, but also our nightstands and like behind our nightstands usually get so dusty, so dusty. So like I said, I'm just trying to stay on top of it and maintain when I can. And since I was already dusting and Cloroxing the bedroom, I wanted to make sure that I did it with our dresser as well. The way I see it is just, if I have time, if I have 5 minutes to do something, just get it done, because it might not get done again before the baby comes. It might, but it makes me feel a lot better just knowing, like I said, that I'm kind of maintaining and trying to stay on top of things as best as I can. And funny enough, like my husband and I, so we live in a ranch. It's a small house, 1 story. I love it to pieces. This is our first home. We've been here for a little over 2 years, but being in a small home, it's a lot of work to maintain. I think any kind of house is a lot of work to maintain. But I think especially in a smaller space, it's easier for things to pile up and get cluttered. So throughout this pregnancy, I've really been working hard to just kind of like organize, minimize, really be as minimal as possible. Like me and my husband, we're very like, especially me, like I don't like to have like extra things that I know I'm not going to use. So like if you're interested in stuff like that, like I can kind of take you guys around our house, and like I did a ton of nesting before the baby, like in our linen closet and bathroom. And like, I still want to go through that again. I don't know if it's my type A personality. I don't know if it's because a baby's coming. I know we're going to have a lot of extra things in the house. But I would just say like the past few months, I've really been, just trying to like keep track of our inventory, like what we have under the sink for cleaning supplies or like what we have in the pantry, making sure we're not, double purchasing things. Because we also are a one income family and I am going to be a stay-at-home mom and I'm currently not working right now. So I don't know, just like trying to create better habits, just knowing like what we have in our house. Because I've definitely been guilty of, I have two, for example, like scrubby bubble cleaners under the sink, because before I organized my sink, it was a disaster down there and I didn't know that. And I was like overbuying things. So just a funny, weird example, but let me know if you guys are guilty of that too. We can be on this journey together just to make better habits. If you've made it this far into the video, I did just want to say, thank you so much for being here and for watching my content. And please, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I can't talk today. Leave a comment down below how you came across my channel. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Do you like watching cleaning videos? Do they inspire you? Do you like to, clean and maintain your home? Are you a working mom, stay-at-home mom, or dad? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to, be able to interact with people that are watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. So I'm a huge fan of Jess Christine here on YouTube. Her channel is called Keep Calm and Clean. If you watch her videos, you know that she recommends having a pair of backup sheets. That's something that is kind of like in the back of my mind on my to-do list, because I really think it would be so much easier if you're going to clean your bedding and you strip the sheets, you throw them in the washer. You know, sometimes the cycle takes longer, you have to dry them, things happen. You know, we all know we're not all perfect when it comes to laundry. At least I'm not, especially when it comes to sheets. But she suggests having a backup pair, so that way when you take this pair off, you already have a clean pair to throw on. So that's definitely something I'm going to look into. I think I just need to order an extra pair on Amazon just to make my life easier, because as you can see, it's a little bit later in the day here, which it's fine. Like, I don't mind, but there are times when, you know, you've cleaned all day and the last thing you're waiting for is for your sheets to dry. And then when they're dry, you're like, okay, now I have to make the whole bed. So just a little hack there that I'm hoping to incorporate, you know, in my upcoming videos. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing a video solely like how to clean your Dyson vacuum, because I think that's one that I'm going to upload here in a few weeks. And just a reminder, I will be uploading a video every Wednesday up until my due date, or when I, go into labor, which is end of February. So please give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to describe. Feel free to subscribe. It is free, and leave a comment down below. Thanks so much.